As a homeowner in Loves Park, Illinois, maintaining the condition of your home is a priority. One of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to reduce long-term maintenance costs is by investing in window replacement. Over time, windows can deteriorate due to weather, age, and wear and tear, which can lead to numerous problems like drafts, leaks, and energy inefficiency. Replacing old windows with modern, high-performance models offers a long-term solution that reduces maintenance costs while improving comfort, security, and energy efficiency in your home. Here's how window replacement in Loves Park can help you save money and reduce maintenance costs. Improved energy efficiency. One of the main reasons homeowners in Loves Park opt for window replacement is the substantial improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane models or those with damaged seals, allow heat to escape during the winter and let warm air enter during the summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. New windows, particularly energy-efficient models with double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, help to reduce heat transfer. They keep your home more comfortable by maintaining a stable indoor temperature year-round. By installing energy-efficient windows, you'll notice a reduction in your heating and cooling costs, which is a significant long-term saving on maintenance and energy bills. In Loves Park, where winters can be harsh and summers can be humid, investing in energy-efficient windows can make a big difference. You'll not only reduce your monthly utility bills but also enjoy a more comfortable living environment without the need for constant adjustments to your thermostat. Lower maintenance and repair costs. Old windows often require a lot of attention. Wooden frames need to be regularly painted to prevent rot and decay, while old seals may cause water damage, leading to costly repairs. The frames and sashes may become warped or cracked over time, which makes opening and closing windows difficult. This constant need for repair and maintenance can add up, draining your time and budget. When you replace your windows with newer models, particularly those made from low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass, you can significantly reduce the amount of upkeep required. Vinyl windows, for example, don't need painting and are resistant to moisture, which helps prevent rot and warping. Fiberglass windows are also highly durable and require very little maintenance. By installing these types of windows, you'll eliminate the need for frequent repairs, painting, or sealing, ultimately saving you money in the long run. Reduced risk of water damage. Another problem that old, poorly sealed windows create is the risk of water infiltration. Broken seals or damaged frames allow rain and snowmelt to seep inside, leading to mold growth, water stains, and structural damage. This kind of damage can be expensive to repair and can lower the value of your home if left untreated. New windows, especially those with high-quality weather stripping and robust seals, are designed to keep out moisture. This can reduce the risk of water damage and mold growth, helping to protect your home's interior from unnecessary damage. In addition, replacing windows with energy-efficient models that have tight seals can also help keep drafts and humidity under control, further reducing the risk of water-related issues. Improved home security. The old windows may not provide the same level of security as modern windows. Worn-out frames, old locks, and fragile glass can make it easier for burglars to break into your home. Many homeowners don't realize that replacing their windows with secure, modern options can significantly improve home safety and reduce potential repair costs related to break-ins. When you replace your windows, you can choose models with advanced security features, such as multi-point locks, reinforced glass, and impact-resistant materials. These new features can make your home safer and help prevent the financial and emotional toll that comes with a break-in. Investing in secure windows now can save you from higher repair costs or the cost of replacing stolen items in the future. Enhanced property value. One of the most significant long-term benefits of window replacement is the potential increase in your home's value. New windows improve the curb appeal of your property and show potential buyers that the home is well maintained and energy efficient. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, new windows can be an attractive selling point. Moreover, homes with updated windows are often perceived as more modern, comfortable, and secure. This can make your property stand out in a competitive market, leading to a faster sale and possibly a higher asking price. The return on investment from replacing your windows is substantial, especially when you factor in the long-term savings on energy bills and reduced maintenance costs. Environmental benefit. By installing energy-efficient windows, you are also contributing to environmental sustainability. Reducing your energy consumption lowers your carbon footprint and helps reduce the demand for energy resources. Over time, energy-efficient windows will help you use less heating and cooling energy, which reduces your impact on the environment. In Love's Park, where extreme weather conditions can strain your HVAC system, switching to more energy-efficient windows is a simple and effective way to make your home more eco-friendly while simultaneously saving money. Conclusion. Window replacement in Love's Park is not just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a long-term solution that can help you save money, reduce maintenance costs, and improve your home's overall performance. With improved energy efficiency, lower repair needs, reduced water damage risks, and enhanced security, replacing your windows provides immediate and long-term financial benefits. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years or sell it in the near future, new windows are an investment that will pay off in comfort, savings, and value. Consider window replacement today to enhance your home's durability, energy efficiency, and beauty.